Are you looking for best AI 3D modeling tool in 2026? What if I tell you that you can convert a rough sketch or a reference image and even a text prompt and you can turn it into a production ready game asset in literally just a few minutes? I have been trying to build a 3D complex scene in my latest project inside Blender, and the manual sculpting along inside Blender was going to take me days. But recently I just found this 3D AI tool that can actually convert a simple text prompt and even a reference image as well into a detailed high quality 3D image that can be easily used as a game asset. All you have to do is just give a simple prompt or maybe give a reference image, and this AI tool will create high quality, very detailed with 4K textures in literally just few minutes. This tool is called Meshy AI and I'm using Meshy version 6. Meshy 6 is the latest AI model that offers the most accurate geometry and highest level of detail and artist-friendly stylization. Just have a look at the detail on it and the precision and accuracy on all of these AI models. So Meshy is essentially an AI texture generator and a 3D creator tool. You can drop in a reference photo or maybe a simple prompt, and Meshy builds a fully textured 3D model in literally just few minutes. But the question is, can AI create 3D models that actually hold up in a professional pipeline? Well, that is a question that we are answering today. I'm putting this tool through a lot of tests to see if it can actually replace the tedious labor of manual sculpting. And for anyone who wants to 3D print their custom designs but does not know how to model in Blender, well, even for this problem, Meshy AI is the best solution. You can go from an idea to a printable STL file in literally just few minutes. Let's suppose you have this photo of yourself and now you want to convert this photo into 3D. So you can just provide this photo inside Meshy AI and it will convert this photo into a detailed 3D model. And now you can just download this STL file and then you can just use it inside your 3D printer and easily convert this 3D model into a physical object. So basically it removes the modeling barrier entirely for beginners. And if you're a game developer and you want to create high quality 3D assets for your game, the process is just as smooth. So to start using Meshy AI, simply just go to meshy.ai or simply just click on the link in description. Then you can just sign up and here you'll get three different options. The first option is image to 3D. The second option is batch images to 3D. You can bulk generate 3D models all together. And the third option is text to 3D. Here you can simply just provide a prompt and you can just choose any of these settings from here. You can choose the AI model, which is Meshy 6. And if you're creating a human character, you can choose between A pose to T pose as well. And that's it. This is how easy and simple it is. So step one, just give a prompt or maybe provide a reference image. Click on generate your 3D model. And then next step is you can directly import your generated 3D model into Blender or Unreal Engine in just one single click. You can use something called DCC Bridge, and here you can just send this 3D model into ZBrush for further sculpting and further modifying it and customizing it. You can even send it to Blender, to Godot, to Unity game engine as well, one of my favorite game engine. And also you can send it to Unreal Engine and then send it to Maya as well if you want to create any custom animations and then render those animations in high quality. You can send it to Maya or 3ds Max. So for all of these third-party softwares, you can easily just download the relevant plugin. Then you can directly connect Meshy AI with your favorite software. Honestly, what I'm really impressed by is the details on all of these 3D models. When you zoom in on the character, you can see the refined geometry. The mesh itself is clean and you can see total number of vertices here is 354,000. You can of course optimize it more if you want to use it for mobile games. If you want to use it in a PC game, I think these are perfect number of vertices to use it for better performance. The organic shapes are smooth and automatically correct, which is by the way usually where AI actually fails. Also, the most important thing to notice here is that 3D model was generated from this simple photo. You can easily provide it photo of a simple AI generated image and then it will convert that into high quality literally playable 3D game character. We can import it into Unity and then you can make it a playable character or maybe a simple 3D NPC character. Honestly, just look at any of these 3D models and you can see it doesn't matter how complex the shape is, it doesn't matter how complex that 3D model is. This tool has done just fantastic job. Now just look at this particular 3D character and you can see again this character was also generated from this simple image. Just have a look at the resemblance and this character actually looks 100% similar to that reference image. Look at the edge sharpness on these mechanical props. The enhanced hard surface mode actually gives us the clean structures that rival the manual work. One of the biggest questions that I get is, can AI actually generate the textures for their 3D model? And just have a look at the details of the texturing on every single 3D model. Also, the texture files itself are not very complex image and hundreds of different images that then you have to wrap all of them together, or maybe you have to use them them separately, there will be like hundreds of image files, and if you have to use them in a game, that will be literally a nightmare to use like so many texture images in a game. But here you can see this entire 3D model has one texture file. Look at this. This is the base color file, then this is the roughness, this is the metallic, this is the emission, and this is the normal map. So basically it has like one image. So basically this 3D model is fully optimized for any sort of games, for any sort of platforms. Even if you wanna use it like for low-end mobile devices, you can easily just like use it in your game and you won't have to do any extra optimization for this 3D model. And also you can see all these generated textures match the geometry perfectly without any stretching anywhere. The fidelity is just insane. It even replicates the specific styles and renders the text accurately on your 3D model. It also features de-lighting control, which strips out any fake shadows so you can have clean professional textures ready for any lighting environment. Now if you want to populate an entire world, you're going to love this batch images to 3D feature in here. So instead of doing one by one, you can upload multiple reference images all at once to generate all your background props simultaneously. And this is a massive time saver for environment artists out there. And for the concept artists out there, the Nano Banana Pro integration is just game changer. You can just describe what you want. You can choose the aspect ratio. You can choose the total number of images and also the pose. If you're generating a character, then you can just like visualize your character in 2D image, and then you can directly convert that 2D image into a 3D model. Just like I gave it this prompt right now, which is to create a warrior character with scars on their face. So now it is just like generating two different images for this warrior character for me. And there you go. In literally just few seconds, my 3D model is ready. Just have a look at the details on this 3D model. It is so high quality 3D model. You can see total number of vertices are around 500,000. I can actually optimize it more if I'm targeting it for like mobile devices, but this is perfect for a PC game. Now this is just a 3D model. My texture is not ready yet. So to create a texture, I can simply just click on this texture button in here, and I can just like click on create. I can choose 4K resolution and 8K resolutions as well. So I can simply just click on generate textures, and now it is going to generate textured 3D model for me. So basically textures for this 3D model. So once I'm happy with my 3D model, I could revise it. I could change anything. I could change the style of this axe as well, but I'm happy with this 3D model. Now it is going to generate textures for my 3D model. And there you go. Our high quality 3D model is ready. Just have a look at how accurately it actually created this 3D model. So this is a reference image that we provided, and this is the exact 3D model that it created. It copied every single detail from that reference image, even the hairstyle as well, and even the scars on his face as well. It accurately copied those scars as well. Also you can see this texture file. It also has created this roughness, metallic, and emission, and this normal map as well. Now you can easily just rig this character as well. My advice for you to, if you want to like create a character that you want to rig further, or later on if you just want to like use it in your game, make sure that you generate those characters in T-pose. Or in fact, this reference image that we just generated, you can just ask AI maybe just like create this reference image in a T-pose. So this way, with just one single click, you can rig this character immediately. Now I want to show you something that feels like literally magic. There's a new custom pose feature. You can just upload your character image plus a pose reference photo, and the AI adjusts the joints to match that exact position. No complex rigging or weight painting is required. It maps your character to the action perfectly. You can even take those static models and use 3D to video tool to create cinematic clips for your trailers in literally just few minutes. And for the makers watching this video, Meshy AI has officially arrived on MakerWorld, bridging seamless and precise multicolor printing to your 3D printing workflow. So just try it now and see how it automatically maps complex textures to filament colors. So this way, what you see on your screen is finally what you get on the print bed. So after testing Meshy 6 against the top competitors, Meshy wins on texture alignment and geometry cleanliness. Especially for characters and hard surface models, it shows much greater stability and has a distinct advantage in visual aesthetics. So it is not just a novelty anymore, it is a productivity engine. So just go ahead, give it a try, and join over 10 million creators who trust Meshy as the #1 tool for 3D creation worldwide. And it is officially one of the best text to 3D model tool that I have used this year. So if you have an idea you have been sitting on because the modeling felt too hard, I think this is the time to just mesh it. If you just click on the link in description, you can get 50% off right now. So just go ahead, give it a try, and do let me know in the comment section what you think about Meshy AI. I see you next video. Bye bye.